friends, welcome to Artistic Therapy Zone. Today we are going to make this beautiful dot art mandala coasters with DIY tools available at home. If you like the idea of using dotting tools, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. We will be making use of our makeup and art supplies as a dotting tools. Here is our material list. Let's get started. I have used 4x4-inch MDF coaster and applied 2 layers of black acrylic paint. Let it dry completely to work us further. Now I am marking the 2 diagonals and inside circles. You can mark it as per your requirement. I am using a compass. You can use various different things available at home if you don't have tools. Can you see what all things we can use? We can use our eyeliner, our eye pencil, our brushes, pencil cut tip. We can even use our refill tip. So like this we have all this normal things available at home. This is lipstick that also we can use for making big circles. So right now I am using this 12 number brush for giving the center circle. You have to keep your brush in 90 degree when you pick up the paint and when you apply the paint, or whatever tool that you are using, you have to keep it at 90 degree to get a proper circle. Okay, so this is a tip you should remember. Now I am using another brush and I am applying smaller dots. Dots will depend as per your tool. So if you don't want to try directly on the coaster, you can use a rough page and try what is the size of the dots and accordingly use. And the consistency of paint is also very important. Here my paint was little bit thick, so I am adding 2-3 drops of water to make it proper. So the consistency is also equally important for the dots to come proper. So I have now mixed water and now I am applying the dots. And we have to be very patient while applying the dots. Every time for applying each dot, you have to pick your brush and dip it in color and apply the dot, so that the full brush is fully loaded with color and it gives us proper circular dot. Okay, yeah, so that we have to remember that when we pick up a paint once, we cannot make 2-3 dots with the same paint. Our dots will not come in circular shape. So always remember to dip your tip in color and apply 1 dot. Again you dip in color and again apply second dot and keep it at 90 degree angle. So this way you will get a good mandala dot. So the points that you have to remember to get proper circles is, first, our paint should be not too thick, not too thin, means not too liquidy. We need proper consistency. Second, we should have our paint on a flat surface. We cannot use a palette because inside palette, whenever we dip our brush, sometimes more paint can come in our tip and sometimes less paint can come, which will not give us consistent dot. So we have to take a flat surface. Another point that we have to keep in mind is keep our tool at 90 degree angle when we pick up the brush and when we apply the dot. And most important is we should have patience to do this art. Dot art requires lots of patience and lots of concentration. So this art you can use it with kids to increase their concentration. Even if you are feeling stressed, you go and pick up your art items and start doing this therapeutic dot art. If you do this art form, you'll forget about all the worries, all the stress around you, and you will just be lost with these colors and these beautiful dots. And whenever we perform this art, it is so therapeutic that it calms down our senses, it removes our anxiety, and it de-stresses us. It rejuvenates us to perform our things with more concentration. So, these are the few points that I want you to keep in mind while doing this art. Hope you will enjoy doing this art along with artistic therapy. You can notice that the ultramarine color is going with the black background and it is not popping up. So to make it pop, we will apply smaller dots of light blue color, and then you can see how attractive it is making our dots. And now it is not merging with the background, it is making each and every dot pop out. Now I am using my lip liner as a dotting tool. Now I am using my eyebrow pencil as a dotting tool. So you can multi-purpose your makeup tools, not just for doing makeup but also for doing art. Hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful dot art mandala along with the tips and tricks that I shared with you. If you want to receive all such tips and tricks for different art forms, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. It was a wonderful session with you guys. Let's spread more artistic vibes. Thank you. Bye bye. See ya.